Are you planning a trip to Japan? Then Universal Studios in Osaka is an experience you need to add to your itinerary. Today, I'm going to give you my recommendations for the top 5 rides at Universal Studios in Osaka, Japan. Stick around to find out number 1. I'm Sarah from 3 Kids in a Suitcase. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe for more fun videos and travel tips with kids? Universal Studios Japan, also known as USJ, is a popular theme park located in Osaka, Japan. It opened in March 2001 and has since been one of the most visited theme parks in Japan. The park features many attractions based on popular movies and TV shows, including Harry Potter, Minions, Jurassic Park, Spider-Man, and the newest attraction, Super Nintendo World. Visitors can experience everything from thrilling roller coasters to interactive simulator rides, as well as spectacular live shows and parades. Our family went 10 times when we spent 7 weeks in Japan over Christmas, and we had an absolute blast each and every time. Picking a top 5 list was super hard, as all of the rides are awesome and everyone has their own unique favourite. But here we go. Starting at number 5, Hollywood Dream the Ride. If you're a roller coaster enthusiast, you won't want to miss this one. Hollywood Dream is a 1.2 kilometre roller coaster that takes you through the streets of Hollywood with plenty of twists, turns and drops. There are 2 versions of the Hollywood Dream ride. One is forward facing and the other is backward facing. This is called backdrop. I highly recommend going on the backdrop version first. This is definitely the most exciting because you can't anticipate what is coming up next. And if you haven't been on the forward-facing version yet, then you really have no idea what's coming. What sets this ride apart is the fact that you get to choose your own soundtrack to listen to while you ride. Whether you're a fan of J-pop, Taylor Swift or Michael Jackson's Bad, you can customize your ride experience to your liking. The soundtrack seems to synchronize perfectly with the ride's twists, turns and stomach-churning drops. And this, coupled with the LED disco lights flashing all around us, made for an incredible experience. On to number 4, Mario Kart Koopa's Challenge. Mario Kart Koopa's Challenge is one of the newest rides at the park, and it is very popular. Located in the Super Nintendo World, it is the pinnacle of the clever theming that makes Super Nintendo World so special. It's a thrilling, state-of-the-art attraction that brings the world of Mario Kart to life like never before. As a child of the 80s, it was a dream come true for my husband. The ride takes guests on a high-speed journey through the Mushroom Kingdom, with up to 4 riders per vehicle. The ride vehicles are modelled after the iconic Mario Kart, complete with steering wheels and accelerators, and can move in any direction on the track. It features cutting-edge technology, including AR headsets that guests wear to enhance the experience, creating a 3D environment around the riders, adding virtual elements like items, obstacles, and other characters. It makes it feel like a real-life version of the beloved game. Guests can choose to ride as one of the 4 classic Mario Kart characters: Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach or Yoshi. As they ride through the course, they'll collect virtual items like mushrooms and shells to use against their opponents. The ride also features realistic sound effects and music from the Mario Kart games. Overall, Mario Kart Koopa's Challenge is a must-ride attraction for anyone visiting Super Nintendo World and Universal Studios in Osaka. It's a thrilling and fully immersive experience that brings the world of Mario Kart to life in an exciting and a unique way. Get ready for number 3, Minion Mayhem. Minion Mayhem is a fun and exciting ride that's perfect for families and anyone looking for a light-hearted and entertaining theme park experience. Everybody loves the Minions, and our family found this ride absolutely adorable. As you walk through Minion Park, where the ride is located, you can't help but feel happy, surrounded by the lovable yellow creatures from the Despicable Me movies and their endless chatter. The ride begins with guests entering Gru's laboratory, where they're transformed into minions. Once transformed, guests are taken on an adorable adventure through Gru's world, with the Minions leading the way. The ride features state-of-the-art technology, including 3D projections and a motion simulator technology, which creates a realistic and captivating experience. Guests sit in seats that move and bounce along with the action on the screen, making it feel like they're really a part of the adventure. Throughout the ride, guests encounter familiar creatures from the Despicable Me movies, including Gru, his 3 daughters, and the Minions themselves. The ride is filled with humour and excitement, with plenty of surprises along the way. If you love these adorable little creatures as much as we do, then you have to ride Minion Mayhem. And be sure to check out the cutest snacks you'll ever eat in Minion Park as you exit the ride. Pro tip, try the banana flavoured popcorn. It's delicious. And now, number 2, Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. One of the park's most popular areas is the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, which features the attraction Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. If you're a Harry Potter fan, this ride is a must try. The ride is located inside a replica of Hogwarts Castle, which is a sight to behold in itself. As guests enter the castle, they'll walk through the familiar halls of Hogwarts, complete with moving portraits and magical creatures. Once aboard the ride, guests are taken on a riveting journey through Hogwarts and beyond, experiencing the world of Harry Potter like never before. The ride features a combination of physical sets and screens, as well as cutting-edge technology that creates a truly captivating experience. Guests sit in benches that move along a track, taking them through various scenes from the Harry Potter movies. Along the way, they'll encounter familiar characters like Harry, Ron, and Hermione, as well as magical creatures like the Whomping Willow and the Forbidden Forest. The ride features a combination of practical effects and 3D projections, creating an exciting experience that will leave guests feeling like they're truly a part of the Wizarding world. Overall, Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey is a must-ride attraction for any Harry Potter fan, or anyone looking for a thrilling and realistic dark ride experience. It's a truly magical ride that brings the beloved world of Harry Potter to life in an unforgettable way. And don't forget to get a cup of butterbeer on your way out so you can really feel like a wizard. Now it's time for our number 1 pick for the best ride at Universal Studios Japan. Drum roll please. The Flying Dinosaur. The Flying Dinosaur is definitely one of the most thrilling rides we have ever been on. It's a roller coaster that takes riders on a wild and exciting journey through the skies with twists, turns and drops that will leave your heart racing. The ride starts with riders being seated in a suspended coaster with their feet dangling in the air. The coaster then launches forward, taking riders on a high-speed journey through the prehistoric world of Jurassic Park. The coaster reaches speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, with drops of up to 37 meters and twists and turns that will make even the bravest riders scream with excitement. The coaster also features several inversions, including a zero-gravity roll and a corkscrew, which literally left us speechless. One of the most thrilling aspects of the ride is the fact that it's a flying coaster, meaning that riders are lying face down during much of the ride. This creates a sensation of flying through the air like a dinosaur, the prehistoric flying reptiles that inspired the ride. We love the way the coaster train interacts with the environment. The ride takes guests through a series of near-miss moments with rocks, trees and other obstacles, creating a sense of danger and excitement, an adrenaline rush that must be experienced by all serious roller coaster fans. The coaster is located in the Jurassic Park area of Universal Studios, which also features a variety of other attractions and experiences themed around the world of dinosaurs. This includes a Jurassic Park themed boat ride, a dinosaur exhibit, and a variety of restaurants and shops. The theming is spectacular and well worth the visit for any Jurassic Park fan. Overall, the Flying Dinosaur is a must-ride attraction for anyone visiting Universal Studios in Japan who's looking for an adrenaline-packed experience. And for those of you who are brave enough to ride it, it is an experience you will not forget. So there you have it, the top 5 rides at Universal Studios Japan. Whether you're a fan of Nintendo, Harry Potter, the adorable Minions, or crazy roller coasters, there's something for everyone at this amazing theme park. As a family, we think Universal Studios Osaka is a must-visit destination for anyone looking for fun and thrilling theme park experiences in Japan. With so much to see and do, visitors of all ages are sure to have a memorable time at this world-class attraction. So grab your tickets and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. For more fun videos and travel tips, check out my other videos. See you soon!